Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the topic is decimal fractions. In Tamil, Dasama Bhinnangal. The definition of a decimal fraction is the denominators or powers of 10 are known as decimal fractions. Minimum 10 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது வர வேல்யூ வந்து decimal fraction அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. Decimal fractionனாக்கா நம்ம வந்து பாயிண்ட்ல வந்து இங்க டினோட் பண்ணுவோம். For example, we take a whole number, example 721. It is a whole number. When we are going to divide it by 10, 10 is the minimum number which divide the whole number to get into a decimal number. The value is 72.1. The denominators should be 10, 100 and thousands, which like the powers of 10 to get the decimal fractions value. 1 by 10 which called 10th and 1 by 100 is called 100 or 10 tenth, because 10 times of 10th which contains in 100. 1 by 1000 which called thousands, 110 or 10 hundreds, also the same values. From this decimal value, the minimum starting point value is 0.1, because in fractional values the minimum digit is a digit which apart from that point to the right side is the minimum digit. Decimal fractional value, we go to see example, we take 2.008. The decimal fractional value which contain two parts which are separated by the point. Before that point, the area is whole number or whole part. After that point digit, it is fractional part. After that point, the minimum value should start from left to right. So it is a tenth, this is 100 and this is thousands. Whole numbers la minimum value வந்து right to left வரைக்கும் போகும், minimum digits. இந்த decimal fraction ல பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா minimum digit வந்து left ல இருந்து right க்கு போகும். So the point க்கு அப்புறமா வர first term வந்து minimum value. தமிழ்ல வந்து 1 10 100 னு சொல்லுவாங்கல, அந்த மாதிரி இது வந்து டாட்டுக்கு இந்த சைடு 10 100 1000 அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு இப்படி போகும். So the minimum digit, அதாவது 10th digit, இதுதான் minimum digit. இந்த வேல்யூ இந்த டிஜிட் வர்றதுக்கு வந்து நம்ம வந்து மினிமம் 10 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணனும். So 10 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணோம்னாக்கா வர வேல்யூ வந்து மினிமம் வேல்யூவா இருக்கும். So 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. So decimal fractionல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 0.1 தான் வந்து minimum starting value. Conversion of decimal into fraction. First example 0.25. Here we have to know how many digits which apart from that point is 2 digit. So from the point in fractional value, from that point, this is the 10th term, 10th digit, and this is the 100th digit. So we have to convert it into a decimal number. We have to multiply by the 100. How to convert this decimal value into the fractional value? So here we have to multiply by 100. At the same time we have to divide it by 100. The 0.25 100 ஆல multiply பண்ணி 100 ஆல divide பண்ணா இதோட வேல்யூ வந்து மாறாது. So we are going to multiply and divide by 100. The value like 25 divided by 100, 1 by 4. So the fraction value is 1 by 4 for 0.25. And the next example is 2.008. Here there is a 3 digit from the point value 8000 into 1000 divided by 1000. So we are going to multiply this value. The value which becomes 8 divided by 1000. This is the fractional value of the decimal value. We can simplify. The 2008 divided by 1000, it may simplified as 251 divided by 125. Conversion of decimal into fraction. There are 3 types of sums. The first type is 0.36 bar. The bar which denotes the number continuously repeated. For example, 0.36 bar, which is the meaning of 0.36, 36, 36, 36 like that. Here 36, 36, 36 are continuously repeated. So it should be write as 0.36 bar. 0.36 bar, it should become convert like. First we have to write the value which then divided by, so we have to write 2 times of 9. That's it. This is a short form to find the decimal into fractional value. It may simplify by 3, 1, 3. The fractional form of the decimal number of 0.36 bar is, it may write as 4.11. And the second example is 0.478 bar. For this time we have to write the value which apart from that point. 478. The number of digits which have the bar value is 3 digits. So we have to write the 3 times of 9. This is the fractional form of the decimal number 0.478. And the third example is 0.0001 bar. We have to write like, first write the value which apart from that point 1001. Here the 3 digit which have the bar value, so we have to write 3 times of 9, so it will be 1 by 999. In this second type of decimal into fractional conversion, here there is no common bar for the fractional numbers. The bar is only for a specified digits. So the first example is 0.245. The 4, 5 only have the bar value, so the value is 0.2454545 like that. So only the 4, 5 is the repeated value, so the 4, 5 only have the bar value. Now we are going to convert the decimal into the fractional value 0.245 bar. We have to, for this second type, we have to write the value 245 which minus the value which does not have the bar. So 2 divided by, here 2 digits only have the bar value, so we have to write 2 times of 9 Here one digit does not repeated, so we have to write 0. The value which simplified 243 divided by 990. So it can be simplified by 27 divided by 110. And the second example is 0.57 dot or bar. The dot and bar are represents the same thing. The number is to be repeated. So we have to convert this decimal into fraction. 0.57 bar. We have to write this value and minus the value, the digit which does not repeated, 5 divided by only one digit is repeated, so we have to write 1 times of 9. Here 5 is not repeated, so we have to write 0. The value is 52 divided by 90. It can be simplified 26 by 45. In this third type, we have to convert the decimal value into the fractional value. First example, 2.49 bar. Here the whole number is also given, so we have to write the whole number what they given. 2. We have to convert the decimal into fraction value. So 0.49 bar, it can be write as 49 by 2 digits only here. 2 digits only repeated, so we have to write 2 times of 99. It means 198. 2 which multiply with 99 and addition with 49. 49 divided by 99 equal to 247 divided by 99. And the second example is 1.50 bar. Here we have to write the whole number what is given 1. The 0.50 is to be converted. We have to write 50 divided by 2 digits only here, 2 digits only repeated. So we have to write 2 times of 99. It may simplify like 1 into 99, 99 plus 50 divided by 99. So 149 divided by 99. And the third example is 4.12 dot. Here in the decimal value only one digit is to be repeated, so we have to write the whole number and convert into decimal converted into fraction. Like we have to write 12 minus the one which does not repeated, so we have to minus the value. Here only one digit is repeated, so write 1 time of 9, and 1 is not repeated, so we have to put a 0. 4 into 12 minus 1, 11 by 90. So we have to simplify, multiply with 90, 360 plus 11 divided by 90. So 371 divided by 90. So far we have seen the decimal fractions. So the class is useful for you. Please kindly support for my channel. Thank you.